This simple structure can completely change how you receive signals. At Tinker's lab, we built half-wave dipole antenna, one of the most fundamental design in radio communication. The design uses simple components, a PVC pipe for structure, a metal rod as radiating element, and a FM receiver for testing. A dipole antenna works based on wavelength. For a frequency of 100 MHz, the wavelength is 3 meters. A half-wave dipole antenna requires half of this length, means 1.5 meters. For optimized length, it becomes approximately 1.43 meters. The antenna was constructed by dividing the conductor into two equal halves. Each arm was mounted symmetrically on non-conductive PVC support to maintain balance and stability. This prototype marks our first step towards more advanced projects, including radio telescopes. Stay tuned.